image earns trust when it feels honest. Viewers may not analyze why they believe an image, but they immediately sense manipulation. Begin your edit by identifying what must remain untouched. Preserve natural transitions in light and color, even if they appear imperfect. Avoid pushing clarity or contrast simply because the tools allow it. Instead, reinforce what already feels believable. If a shadow is soft in reality, let it remain soft. If colors are slightly muted, resist the urge to saturate. As you work, regularly compare your edit to the original. If the difference feels louder than the subject, you have gone too far. Trust is built through restraint. When viewers stop noticing the edit and start focusing on the content, the image succeeds.